Welcome to Next Tool X, your go-to channel for the toughest, smartest woodworking tools. Hit subscribe and join the crew. Today, we're checking out tools that'll level up your woodworking. Fast, precise, and insanely useful. Want them? Grab yours from the links in the description. Let's build. You ever wish your tape measure could do literally everything? Meet the Sigman 3-in-1 laser measuring tool. It's a laser measure, digital angle finder, and digital level, all in one pocket-sized beast. It measures up to 262 feet, with insane plus or minus 1/16" accuracy, and even stores your data for quick review. The 2.4-inch color screen auto-rotates, stays bright in sunlight, and it's IP54 dust plus water resistant. Runs 13 hours on one charge. Once you use this, a tape measure feels ancient. Struggling to keep studs perfectly aligned while framing? The 16-inch on-center framing tool makes it effortless. Solid cast aluminum ensures durability, while the jig holds studs in place for fast, accurate nailing. Increase framing speed by up to 50%. With precise 16-inch spacing every time. Pro-grade, rust-resistant, and built to last. Perfect for DIYers and pros alike. Ever struggle getting perfect stair cuts every time? The Sun LF Prod rotatable scriber and stair jig fixes that. With its upgraded dual nut locking system, your ruler and template stay rock solid. No rubber gaskets needed. Built from aviation-grade aluminum, precise electroplated markings and adjustable extensions let you handle any stair, riser, or shelf from 16 inches to 61 inches. Lightweight, durable, and pro-ready. Once you use this, stair measuring feels effortless. You ever try joining two pieces of wood and end up fighting your tools more than the project? That's why pros swear by the Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig, the ultimate hack for clean, hidden joints. It grips tight with Grip Max Tech, locks your wood like a vise, and with the 360-degree VersaGrip handle, you can drill perfect angles anywhere. Built from impact-resistant steel and polymer, this thing's made to survive years in the shop. Ever struggled with a saw that's clunky or unsafe? Meet the ToughBuilt Folding Pull Saw. Flips open in seconds, folds safely, and stores cleanly. Its double-edged blade handles fine and extra-fine cuts, while the micro-thin, flexible blade glides on push or pull strokes. Hardened teeth, steel frame, and ergonomic handles make every cut straight, fast, and effortless. Compact, durable, pro-grade. This is the saw every serious builder wants. Fed up with messy, time-consuming floor cuts? The NAACOO Heavy Duty Floor Cutter makes it effortless. Cut up to 13 inches wide and 13 millimeters thick at 0 degrees to 45 degrees angles in one step. No double measuring, no double cutting. Aluminum alloy body, HDPE base, rubber wheels, and extendable handle make every cut smooth, safe, and precise. Reusable, cordless, dust-free, perfect for laminate, vinyl, bamboo, and more. Tired of slow, messy pocket holes? The Kreg Rebel 20-volt ionic drive makes joinery effortless. One-motion drilling, precision depth, and no clamping needed. Strong joints every time. Cordless, compact, and powered by a 20-volt blue-ion battery, it's perfect for DIY or pro woodworking anywhere. Once you try it, every other pocket hole tool feels outdated. Ever used a sander that fights you back? The Festool ETS 150/3 doesn't. It's pure German precision. With a 3mm sanding stroke and MMC electronics, it keeps speed steady for a perfect finish. The Multi-Jet Stream 2 system pulls in air and dust together for almost 100% dust-free sanding. Lightweight at just 3.9 pounds, built with a soft ergonomic grip for any angle, horizontal, vertical, or overhead. Smooth, clean, effortless. Tired of chipped blades and cut fingers on the job? The Silly Saw blade holder has you covered. Soft silicone sleeves protect your blades from damage and your fingers from accidents. Hang them up, toss them in your toolbox, or store multiple blades safely. No chips, no scratches, no stress. Contractor approved, simple, and effective. Protecting your tools has never been this easy. You're cutting drywall. No mess, no heat, no noise. This beast, the Vervoive cordless drywall cutout tool, runs on DeWalt 20-volt batteries, hits 30,000 RPM, and slices through wood, plastic, drywall, like butter. Adjust the depth in seconds. Swap bits tool-free, and that dust hood captures 98% of debris. Your lungs will thank you. Plus, it's got a built-in LED and smart safety protection, so you cut fast, clean, and fearless. The Log-Ux all-in-one forestry tool is a game-changer. It combines a 21-inch hauler, 40-inch cant hook, and Bigfoot timberjack, letting you lift, roll, and skid logs effortlessly. Ergonomic design reduces back strain by up to 93%, handles logs up to 32 inches wide, and works on soft or uneven ground. Made in the USA, steel-built, lifetime guaranteed, firewood, hauling, and chainsaw work just got insanely easier. Meet Slipstick Universal Bench Grippers. High-traction, non-marring pads that hold anything in place. Stackable, durable, and supporting up to 1,000 pounds, they're perfect for sanding, painting, assembly, or even heavy furniture. Elevate, level, and protect your work. Like an extra pair of hands you'll never want to lose. Once you try these, slipping and sliding is history. Stop wasting time guessing lines. The Profiler Plus multifunction scribe tool nails perfect marks every time. Its adjustable self-locking width works with Pika Dry 3030 or any marker for flawless scribe lines on wood, tiles, or flooring. Lightweight, compact, UK built with steel bearings, glides smoothly for unlimited tracing, precision, speed, and zero mess. Struggling to hit perfect marks every time you build? The DFM Blue Small Square and Center Finder is your secret weapon. With a 0.34-inch center marking hole and precision-engineered edges, every cut, mark, and alignment is spot on. Switch effortlessly between a small square and a center finder, making complex projects simple. Built tough in the USA, this tool brings accuracy, reliability, and craftsmanship to your workshop every single time. Fed up with dim, awkward lighting on the job? Meet the Festool Sizelight Cal C. Compact, cordless, and insanely bright. 1,200 lumens of daylight clarity, 3 brightness levels perfect for any workspace. Swivel, hang, or mount it anywhere. Total versatility in a tiny package. Light up your work, speed up projects, and crush shadows. Struggling to get perfect angles and measurements in your woodworking? The WT102A Multi-Angle Carpenter Square makes it simple. It combines a rafter square, triangle ruler, and imperial scales for precise 0 to 90-degree angles, length, width, and height measurements. Comes with a built-in pencil, sharpener, refills, and high-precision laser-engraved aluminum. Clear, durable, and fade-resistant. Every DIY or pro project just got way easier. Meet the Bucket Boss Bucketeer, the original bucket tool organizer. Fits any 5-gallon bucket with 30 pockets and 3 interior loops for hammers, drills, and pry bars, keeping your tools organized and ready. Durable 600 denier fabric, built to last, keeps the bucket center open for bulk storage. Compact, smart, and pro-approved. The easiest way to organize every job site. And that's a wrap, folks. If you loved these tools, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell to stay tuned with next Tool X. Don't forget, grab your own from the links in the description and take your woodworking to the next level.